Welcome back to my channel. Whew, as you can see, this hair is a mess. Dry, extremely dry. We have to do something about this, okay? So today, we're just gonna go on and get right to it. I'm gonna be using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. I will be using the shampoo, the conditioner, and the mask. This set is used for intense dry hair, so it's supposed to replenish and nourish your hair. So to begin, I'm putting some conditioner in a spray bottle with water. I pre-pooed my hair, and then I shampooed my hair with the Creme of Nature shampoo, and then I went ahead and applied the mask. And now I'm doing a steam treatment with that mask on. I need the ultimate moisture on this hair. So I'm gonna sit under here, and I sat under there for approximately 15 minutes. So I'll let you enjoy the video and shut up a little bit. Really, Malaysia? So I'm just wanting you to see how my hair look with the mask still on it after I've come from under the steamer. I have to be honest, I actually love the way the charcoal and clay mask feels on my hair versus this one. So I do like the charcoal and clay mask better. I don't know if my hair has just gotten nappier, thicker, or what, but I do notice a difference with the charcoal and clay, and I like it better. This product left my hair very soft. That's a good thing. Now I'm applying the Olive Miracle, and this is a moisturizer as well. I'm going to be applying that to each section, and I'll also be applying the olive oil. My hair loves olive oil. I don't know what it is. I can't go too long without having it in my hair. So olive oil is a must on this 4C hair. Okay, so you see the shrinkage, right? Okay, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing, especially with this color. I'm happy to see all of the shrinkage because that lets me know that my hair still has its elasticity, and I'm just excited about it. And I'm using my handy dandy Dollar Tree paddle brush, paddle detangler, or whatever you want to call it. But this little brush handles business. I'm using Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp. And I was out of my other bottle, so I'm using this little small tube. But I'm using it in my scalp. And I'm also doing a 2-strand twist method to lock in the moisture. Have you guys subscribed to my channel yet? Well, listen, if you're here for the first time, go ahead and pause this video, hit that red subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. It's totally free, so don't let me down. Go ahead and join the family. Thank you. Now, I know you guys see how juicy these twists are looking. Yes, I'm loving it. That's what I want to see. Now, if I could rate these products on a scale of 10, I'm going to have to give it a 7. I could have used a bit more moisture because I've used products before that has instantly given my hair moisture. I usually take in moisture in my hair easily. So just let me know what you guys think. If you tried it before, how does it work for you? And it usually works a little better for me, but this time was different. So I don't know what it is. But thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.